In this video, I'm going to show you how to style a hair extension volume fitting. My client has just had some tape hair extension fitted and I'm going to do a nice volume curl. I'm using my GHD soft curl wand and I'm taking one section clockwise and one section anti-clockwise to create a really voluminous curl look. I take Terry's chocolate orange segments for my curls, and for medium to fine hair I normally section the hair in two. This is a really great quick curl style for after you've done your hair extension fitting, to make the most of all that valuable time. Before curling, I've applied heat spray, and then after doing the curl I'm allowing it to cool a little bit and putting some soft hairspray on, which I can easily brush out afterwards. So I just carefully wind in and making sure I've got the ends tucked in of the hair so I get a really seamless look. My other top tip when you're curling hair extensions is to always grab the hair extension and the natural hair. That way it's all going to blend in beautifully. When I'm working around the sides of the client's hair, I usually always curl the hair away from the client's face. That is the most flattering way for clients to wear curls, in my opinion, and it creates a lovely effect around the cheekbones and it sort of lifts and brightens the client's face. But it's always fun to experiment with different curling wands and styling the hair in different directions to see what effects you get. Now here I'm working on the top section, again using my Terry's chocolate orange size sections, and I just feel if I take them like that the hair falls really well, and it's really quick and simple way of curling the hair. You get every bit of hair and get a really good result. As the curl is cooling, I'm spraying again and just arranging the hair nicely. So I'm continuing towards the front of the client's head, one clockwise, one anti-clockwise, and then the ones at the front, towards the front of the hairline, are always going towards the back of the client's head. And here you can see me doing a close-up of the curl and the sort of action I use. I always start at the top of the hair and then work down towards the ends. And now I move to the other side of the client's head, and my first curl is anti-clockwise, and that always makes a lovely blend in the back of the client's neck. So that's a really top tip. Now I've finished the curling, it's time for the combing out. So on this particular look, I'm just teasing through with my fingers and my wide tooth comb, just to break the curl up a little bit. It's quite humid today, the weather, so I'm just teasing it out a little bit, because if I brush it out too much, all the curl will fall out, and I want it to last my client for a few days. And here we have it, the finished result, picture perfect for Instagram.